To another video. This video I want to talk about Tesla, right? And how we broke our target or area of interest, right? So let's head to the daily time frame and we're going to see that, we were inside this range for a long time and now we had just broken above this level. And the big question is, where are we headed, right? Because if we look to our left here, so this is a very interesting area of around the 198 to the 205, right? And we just broke straight through from this range of 186. We are currently up around, let's just say 14, like 13%, right? From the previous videos that I had, what we were around 170, 180, and now we're at 212 per share, right? So it's a very interesting range over here around the 200 mark, right? You see there's a lot of rejections from here, and I feel like once we break through this level, it's a pretty big jump, right? So if we look right here, this big push, right, we went from the 152, from this 152 over here, this low, all the way to the highs of around almost 300, right? So that's around almost like 100, I believe that's, yeah, right? Yeah, that's a 95% increase in value from the lows, right? And this previous low that we had, we stopped at around 139, and I just wonder where we're going to go from here, right? From this low, we're currently up at around 52, right? So basically half from these highs of 300. And if we hit, of course, the 300 mark will be up around 114% from these lows, right? So it's a very interesting place where we are right now. And the big question is, again, where are we headed, right? So my initial analysis, I'd say that uh, we're gonna stop or maybe make a touch at around 260. From where we are right now, that's an increase of around 23% more. All right, so it's very interesting to be watching Tesla. Every big uh, basically jump from 200. We basically crossed this 260 mark over here, right? If I can just copy and paste this, we see that even from here where we were at around 204, we hit a couple of days later. Let me see from here, a couple of days later. So from here to here, basically that's around 97 days, right? So around 3 months, and we still hit the same that same target of around 263, right? From over here, same thing, right? If we look here, we basically had this we reversed at around, a low of 206, and this was a open at 207. So around the 206 207 range to the 260, right? So this is a very good trade to be in. And of course, for the long term, it's very interesting to see, the stock rally and the opportunities, right? So next, I would say that we're gonna push down again a little bit more. We can see, this 200 range, 200 to 205 range again, and then make new highs. But the most important is market will keep following the trend, right? Because we went from this low all the way to the high of 200, and then from here we were consolidating, right? So we're going sideways over here in this range, right? And then after this, we broke past this level, and now we just broke past this level over here on the left too, right? So it's very interesting where Tesla is going. And again, if price does pull back and makes a correction that is 100% normal, this would be one correction over here. Price pulls back to this area, and this would be also a second correction to this area over here, right? And then of course our big target, and I really do believe we could reach the 260 mark, $260 per share, right? So let's keep an eye on Tesla. Let's wait for basically a very good entry opportunity, gather all the confirmations, and yeah, make some profit. All right. So if you like this video, comment down below and let me know what other stocks you'd be interested in looking at. All right. See you on the next one.